Hello, students. This is Teacher Ken. Welcome to another episode of Advanced English for the Bilingual Professional. In today's episode, we're going to discuss negative questions. Please refer to page 266 in our English sentence structure book, Box B, and exercise 4 of lesson 25, PDF page 279. Without further ado, let's get started. So, the important thing to remember regarding negative questions is that changing the structure from affirmative to negative in the question does not change the intention of the question being asked, especially in cases where we are asking yes or no questions. Let's read the questions and short answers in box B. Repeat after me. Is the teacher here today? Yes, he is. Is this lesson 26? No, it isn't. Isn't the teacher here today? Yes, he is. Isn't this lesson 26? No, it isn't. Very good. Exercise 4 is not very complicated. The only thing we have to remember is that even if the question is in a negative form, your answer remains yes for yes and no for no, according to the question being asked. I'm going to make the negative question, and I will give you a moment to give me the short answer. After you give me the short answer, I will say it myself, so you can compare your answer to mine. So repeat my answer to internalize any corrections necessary. We will alternate affirmative and negative answers one after the other, starting from the examples. That means that number 1 is negative. The answer to number 2 is affirmative. The answer to number 3 is negative, and so forth. Now, let's go ahead. Exercise 4. From the examples. Isn't Brazil in South America? Yes, it is. Didn't Columbus discover China? No, he didn't. Shouldn't we always speak English? Yes, we should. Before we start with number 1, I will cue you whether to answer yes or no. But keep them close to reality. Again, answer yes for yes and no for no. Number 1. Isn't Spain in Europe? Answer yes. Yes, it is. Isn't France in South America? Answer no. No, it isn't. Isn't English an easy language? Answer yes. Yes, it is. Don't most of the people in the United States speak English? Answer yes. Yes, they do. Don't most of the people in Brazil speak Portuguese? Answer yes. Yes, they do. Don't most of the students in this class speak English well? Answer yes. Yes, they do. Can't a plane go faster than a train can? Answer yes. Yes, it can. Can't more people ride in a plane than in a bus? Answer yes. Yes, they can. Can't a man work harder than a woman can? No, he can't. Didn't Edison invent the electric light? Answer yes. Yes, he did. Number 11. Didn't Edison invent the automobile? Answer no. No, he didn't. Haven't you learned to speak English perfectly yet? Answer no. No, I haven't. Shouldn't you practice 10 hours every day? Answer no. No, I shouldn't. Don't you expect to speak English perfectly next year? Answer yes. Yes, I do. And number 15, don't you think the answers to negative questions are easy? Answer yes. Yes, I do. Very good. If you'd like some extra practice in the correct creation of negative questions, you can go ahead and do exercises 5 and 6 in our English Structure Practices book, Lesson 25. That is on pages 330 and 331. PDF pages 656 and 657. And that would be everything regarding negative questions. In our next episode of Advanced English for the Bilingual Professional, we will be discussing tag questions. You will find that very interesting, won't you? Share this episode with people who are looking to improve their English accuracy. And until next time, remember that English is easy. You've got me for practice. See you in the next class.